So we're back again, and we got a 2020 Sorento, and we're gonna mount a light bar, which is this guy right here, in that grill. So we gotta take the bumper off, which we already started, and we got some screws on the floor right there. We're gonna pop the hood here, show you where we did. There was a 10 mil there. Gotta take out 10 mil. Clip, 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 clip. Which is the same over here. We got 3 clips. 1, 2, 3, and there's an 8 mil right up in the corner, relieving pressure right there. Same thing on the other side, but most importantly, we've got bolts under here that the drill just gets under. There's one right there. I already took these guys out, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of silly. It's like a skid plate of fiberglass. Well, we gotta take it out. Let's get the bumper off. So let's get to work. Alright, so we took out 9 bolts. And it's actually the same holding in the skid plate, which is also holding in the bumper. So, in theory, bumper's loose right now. So this is actually a couple parter I'm going to make. How to remove the bumper. And luckily it was high enough to get a drill under there. So, took these guys out over here. We're going to relieve some pressure over here. And let me put this guy down. And I will be back to show you how we got the bumper off. Alright, so I think we got 10 mils, 2 on top, 8 on the bottom, 4 push pins, and this has to get lifted up and over. There's a little lip right there. So the top has to lift up and out to get it off. It's all one piece. No wires. This one doesn't have fog lights. Alright, there you have it. Bumper's off. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Like, don't like. Share, don't share. But now you know how to take the bumper off of a 2020 Sorento. Thank you for watching.